Hello everyone. I want to ask you a question. Have you recently received robocalls, scam calls, or calls from unwanted numbers? Well, today I'm going to be showing you how to block unwanted calls on Android phones. First of all, go to the main screen on your Android phone. Now, select the phone icon. Now, click at the three dots that are located at the top right corner of your screen. Select Call Settings. Select Decline and Reject Calls. Select Reject Calls From. In here, you will see the list of numbers that you've blocked before. In order to add a new number, click on the plus sign. Now, you can choose a phone number from your contact list or your call logs. Select Call Logs. And then find the phone number that you want to block. Press Done. And now that phone number will not be able to call you again. Now, let's go back to the main menu. Now, if you know the phone number that you want to block, then click on Reject Calls From. Click on the plus sign. And then click on New Number. And now you have the option to type the phone number that you want to block. For example, now click Save. And there it is. That phone number will not be able to call you again. That option works well if you know the phone number that you want to block, but you haven't received a single call from that phone number. Now, let's go to the main menu or main screen on your Android phone. There is another option. Click on Tools. Go to Settings. Go to Networks. Scroll down and click on the Call button. And now, choose to decline and reject calls. Select Reject Calls From. And And now you can repeat the same process again. Now, let's go back to the main menu.